Wow, I did not know that.
I did not know that either.
Oh my gosh.
How does that happen?
Today we are in Cambridge, at Cambridge University. I'm going to be asking the public questions about water to see how much they know about manufacturing clothes and how much water it really takes. So let's go. I've got a few pieces of information to give you. What I actually wanted to ask you, did you know that for every kilogram of fabric that's dyed, we use 72 kilograms of water?
72? That's
Yeah.
insane.
That's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of water.
Wow, I did not know that.
I did not know that either.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's not good.
It's like a waste.
A lot of that water gets put into the oceans and it can't really be reused again. What do you think about that?
Well, firstly, I was sort of wondering how that process works. Why does it require so much water? And where's the water coming from?
In terms of how we dye clothes, what happens is a massive vat of water is used and then the piece of fabric is pushed into that water and then it's pulled out again. Because you've contaminated the water with the dye as well, that water becomes wasted water and that obviously goes out into the environment and that harms, kind of wildlife,
Yeah.
humans, people.
That's a shame. Oh my gosh.
And a lot of the water waste as well affects populations around the world. Maybe us here in Cambridge today, we don't really feel the effects, but
No.
around the world, they feel it much more than us. Would you like to have known more about kind of how much water is being used or how your clothes are being manufactured?
Yes, I think people should be made aware of what is happening, but I think the dyeing and all that is with the manufacturers and the big companies. It's them that needs to be aware that what they're doing is affecting the
course.
world.
Just to make it relative for you, a kilogram of clothes is like a t-shirt and jeans. So imagine what you're wearing now. You're wearing more than 72 kilograms of water on your body. And then imagine your wardrobe, how many kilograms and liters of water are being used for that as well. Did you have any idea about this at all?
No, I thought, clothes, they weren't that expensive, got them from the charity shop. I thought I was doing my part.
What do you think now that you know that?
I'm a bit shocked. I wish there was, there were people actually doing something about that,
Is there no way
Okay.
for that water to be recycled to keep dyeing more clothes?
There is a way. So
Okay.
this is what I'm here to tell you
That's
guys.
good news.
This is something that we want to change, okay? So us, Green Universe, what we do, in a sense, what we have done is we've invented a new technology which saves the amount of water within that process by 95%.
Okay.
So instead of having 1 kilogram of fabric needing 72 kilograms of water, instead, for every kilogram of fabric, we only need 4 kilograms of water
Okay.
for that to be dyed, and that water is then also recycled. And it saves 67% of carbon dioxide, and it uses no salt whatsoever as well.
Okay. That's good. That's good.
That's pretty mad.
Yeah, it's pretty mad, right?
I'm impressed.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's amazing. Okay.
Yeah. Although it's a shame that nobody knows
Yeah,
that
it's
happens.
not
I
something
feel like
I've
that's
heard of.
yeah.
So obviously it sounds much more sustainable, and especially it sounds like we might be facing water issues, especially as climate change continues to have its effects.
Just to let you know, it's like, despite the fact that this technology, you're going to be using much less water,
Yeah.
it's the exact same price. So when you're going as a consumer to go and shop for any piece of clothing, you're paying the exact same price and you're saving that much more water than usual. Not only are you saving water, but you're also saving your pockets as well.
Seems like a no-brainer.
I think it will make a difference in my purchase decisions and things. Yeah.
But how would we know, like, if it's being dyed, saving this 95%?
So you'll see our logo. So Green Universe, every piece of garment that we manufacture, we want to put a hand tag on their conscience.
So we'll look out for it then. Okay.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Cool. Thank you guys so
Yeah,
much.
Yeah, no,
awesome.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
That was really interesting.
Yeah, awesome. It seems like people aren't really aware about water and how much water is really being used within the dyeing process. Just to reiterate, Green Universe, we are saving 95% of water within the dyeing process. We're saving 67% of carbon dioxide, and we use no salt within our dyeing process. For every kilogram of fabric that's being dyed, we only use 4 liters of water. It's a big change, and we really want people to know about this. Thank you guys for coming with me today. I hope you guys found something useful out of this, and yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Take care.